Oh beautiful Ross Lake. How I miss seeing the unreal color of your waters. When we first drove into the park, I made Brett stop the Jeep so I could get out and look at the water without my sunglasses on. The lake's unusual light green-blue color is due to the melting glaciers sliding down on the lake and truly this vibrant in person. The area where we took the photo was part of North Cascades National Park, which covers more than 500,000 acres of land. Whether you're looking to hike, fish or camp, Ross Lake is the place to visit. The lake is surrounded by beautiful forests, making it one of the best places to go for an adventure. Naturally, the place is just perfect for outdoor activities, and because it's just 3 hours from Seattle, coming here isn't a hassle, making it a wonderful place to unwind after a busy week. Along the way, we also managed to spot some of the wildlife in the area, which was all to be expected since Ross Lake is in a remote part of the national park. Wild, rugged, and remote. But all worth it. Brett and I are surely coming back to see this again.